There I was hopping out here seeing if I find that woodpecker, and here comes the farmer. Yep. Getting ready to take grain to harvest. They got a lot of that. Trucks going back and forth, bringing the harvest in. So now we'll go walk out to the pond, see what's going on. I got my live stream going on there. We'll do our little walk to the pond. I haven't done this for a while. When I mean for a while, since like this morning, when I dropped off more branches from a habitat pile. And the whole idea is, the more I throw on there, the better it becomes. You know, it acts like a canopy and will protect the animals underneath it. So mice and voles and snakes, probably even rabbits, salamanders will live under there. And if we provide habitat, they will come. So we still have fish on the surface, but it's pretty much the amphibians, I think, have headed in and dug in for the winter. You know, it takes them a while to dig, so they don't do it at the last moment. And it's the middle of November, and I still have 60-degree weather. Not complaining. That's good stuff. Good times. So remember, get out in the sun. Enjoy it. Take in the views. A lot of beauty out here. Why waste it by being inside?